My name is Kevin Tetz, K-E-V-I-N-T-E-T-Z. Used to be Zed.
And where are we?
We're in my shop. We are in my shop in Middle Tennessee, and this is where dreams come true for me, kind of. The reason I want to build this car is simple. This Jaguar XJS. It's a beautiful car. It's Jaguar's answer to the XKE, the E-Type. The most beautiful car ever built was the XKE Roadster. Enzo Ferrari said it. He's famously quoted for saying that, and I happen to agree with Enzo Ferrari. But I hate the way they perform, so I want to personally fulfill the promise that Jaguar gave and never fulfilled. The XJS was built as a grand touring car when it was first launched in 1975, and for 21 years it was just that. If all I planned to do with this car was tour back roads like a good English gentleman, it would be fine with its 5.3 V12. I want a true performance car. So to see what I'm working with, my first stop is my local high-end tuning shop, DBR High Performance.
One thing I do love about a V12 is the way they turn over. It's so weird. And they're all that way. It's a little less than I expected. That is all she wrote. 127, 182.
As much as a Kia Soul, 127 horsepower. And before leaving DBR, we tossed it on the scales for a baseline weight. 3,915 pounds, what a tank. The hardcore Jag guys have a term for putting a Chevy V8 in a Jaguar. They call it lumping a car. So they're gonna hate me, but I'm gonna lump the crap out of this car. We're gonna do an LS swap in this thing. It's a frickin' no-brainer.